Hello everyone, my name is Atharu and this is my product Stenographer. This is basically a demand letter generator powered by AI which helps you create letters, demand letters, basically out of scratch. You just need to give it a text file which talks about the case and you will get a demand letter automatically. So let me take you through my website first because this is going to help lawyers and paralegals a lot. This is just automating their work and reducing the stress from already cluttered and stressful life of the paralegals and the lawyers. So this is just the create account page. So you'll just add your name, email address, and either you can be attorney or a paralegal. So you can just choose one of the two and you click on create account. So as I already have an account, so I'll just click on sign in. So I'll sign in using attorney 2. So this is the landing page after signing in. So generally we divide the work into matters. So here I have already created 4 different matters. So I'll just show you how to create a matter. You'll just click here, title, demo matter. Okay. And client would be gauntlet. And status is active, so create. So we can see a demo matter is created here. If you go into the demo matter, you can see your status active. From here, you can edit the title, client name, and the status as well. And here you will see the overview of the demo matter. So now let's go back to the dashboard. So we'll use cohort 3 here. So here in the files, here in the participants tab, only the attorney can see the participants and he can also add a new participants from the list of the all the users which we have on the application. So that is how it works. So this power is only with the attorney. It does not, the power does not lie with the paralegal for this. So when I click on files, I can just select a file and I can upload a file from here. Let's add the test success file. So you can see the file is uploaded here and you can download or delete the file from here. And so when you go to the drafts, so you need to generate a new draft from here. So this file is about a standard auto accident demand letter. So we'll just select the file. We'll use the demand letter template from here. So we have 4 different templates here: workspace injury, slip and fall, auto in accident, and personal injury template. So I'm using the auto accident template here. I'll add the client conflict and just generate draft. So this takes around 45 seconds to generate a complete document based on the accident details which you provided it, and you will see that the document is quite professional and works, can be used by making some small tweaks. So you can see it's almost like you can track how much percent it is done, and based on that we can see that it generally takes 45 seconds, not more than that, and it's almost done here. Yeah, so this takes you to the page where we can see the draft created. So we have 4 different sections in the draft document. Statement of facts. So this talks about the facts, what happened. Then this talks about the liability, who was responsible for it, and it like extracts data from the file and creates a proper documentation for it. Here we can see the damages, how much amount of the damage has happened, and what demand we need for that. That is also created. That's how it works. Here you can see, like, if I make some changes here, if I make the first line bold, so you will see here that change history we can see. So what I made changes I can see from here. You can add a comment, you can refine it more if you feel that you need more changes to be done, and I can just export it from here. So here you can see that I have exported the document in a Word document, and you can see that the document is in quite good format. So we have the title of the matter, then statement of facts, liability, damages, and we also have the demand, everything in this document. Also, if you see that I did bold in this, So we'll go to another user here. So if you see in this user, I if I go back to the matter, and if I get a draft, and if I open the latest file here, you see that it is updated here. So at any to update it, we can see. So we'll make some changes here. For example, we'll just remove this file, and let's just remove the starting of it, and we'll see that the for user also it's removed. So this is like real time editing can be done by multiple people in the document itself, and that is how it works. Let me go back to the matter, and like if I want to set this status to active, I'll just edit it, and I'll just save it to complete. So if I go back to the dashboard now, I can see the cohort 3 is completed. Along with this, I have some templates here. So if you I have created 4 templates here. If you want to create a new template, you can just add template. You would have to add some title section, and you would have to add a AI prompt here which extracts the data. So I'm not a professional in legal terms, so I have given this option for the user to add their own AI prompts, which helps them create a good template. So that's how it works. I hope the lawyers like the product, and I hope they'll use it a lot. Thank you.